This is Steven with Digital Trends here at Mobile World Congress. Today we're taking a first look at the Nokia One. It's Nokia's first budget smartphone of 2018. It's also one of the first phones to ship with Android Go. The build quality is exactly what you're going to expect for an $85 phone. It'll be available starting in April. It has a polycarbonate shell and comes in two colors, red and blue. And it has a two-tone design with white accents around the camera and rocker buttons. There's a 4.5-inch display. On the back, there's a 5-megapixel camera. The front has a 2-megapixel camera. Again, it runs Android Go. What's special about Go is that it's made for low-end phones that typically have under a gig of memory. Well, you can download any apps on the phone. Google's created a suite of Go apps that are a little lighter weight, so it saves you some memory on the phone, and the app should load a lot quicker. Our first impressions on the Nokia One is that it's really fast for the price. The build quality is exactly what we'd expect. The upshot of the polycarbonate shell is that it can be replaced with one of Nokia's new Express-On covers, and those come in about 10 colors right now. It also means that there's a removable battery, which is a really nice addition. There's a headphone jack on the top of the phone, which is a really nice thing to have, and on the bottom there's micro USB. Overall, it's a pretty impressive phone for $85. So that's a first look at the Nokia One here from Mobile World Congress.